Today we're talking about how to plan a team meeting. Have you ever been in a meeting and left and wondered why in the world you were there? It just goes to show you how important planning a meeting really is. So anyone on a team is involved in team meetings, and there's some general problems that arise with meetings. First of all, the wrong people can sometimes be in the wrong meetings. Also, lack of communication about the meeting. Some people aren't notified about the meeting or even why they're there. There's also can be a lack of clarity for the meeting. Again, what's the purpose? Why are we here? What do we hope to get out of this meeting? And then also there can be the lack of planning for the meeting. So if you do number 4 really well, you can also knock out 1, 2, and 3 and also make a lot of people happy. So let's look at a few things to incorporate when we're planning a meeting. Number 1, we want to determine what is the purpose of the meeting. Why are you even having the meeting? Number 2, specify the end result of the meeting. What do you hope to gain when you leave the meeting? Do you want an important decision to be made? Do you want information to be distributed? Do you want people to have a better understanding? So what is it that you want? Number 3, determine who needs to be there. So you want to make sure the right people are there. Respect their time. If they're not supposed to be there, they're not going to be engaged, and it wastes a whole lot of time, and that computes the budget on your project. Number 4, specify what information needs to be provided. Also let them know, are you going to provide it, or are they expected to provide the information? Also specify the schedule for the meeting. What's the date? What's the time? How long is it going to be? What's the duration? And where is it going to be located? And then be sure to notify all the attendees. And when I say that, I mean in advance, more than 5 minutes in advance. Give people time to plan ahead of time, incorporate it in their schedule, and be prepared for the meeting. If there's information or data that they need to provide, they need time to do that. So when you notify them, you want to be sure to include the how, the what, the who, the where, the when, and the why. So let's take a look at these. So how? You can send an email, a text, a broadcast, or alert, whatever the standard communication for your team is. Also include the what. Include the purpose, the end results you're expecting to get from the meeting, and the information that they need to bring. And also include the attendees. Let people know who else will be there. Identify the important decisions that will be made and the expected decision makers that you need there. And also let them again know where the location is for the meeting. Let them know the date, the time, and the duration, and then the agenda. So even though you planned it, you want to be sure that because you know that everybody on the team knows. So these are some things that will help you plan better with some tips. And if you need a tool that can help you plan your meeting, then sign up for our software now at projectmanager.com.